You want vegetable plants big and sturdy and robust like this? I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I am making a video about banana peel fertilizer. If you have been watching any of the videos before, you know in the beginning our garden was struggling just a little bit. It wasn't taking off like we thought it would. So we heard about this banana peel fertilizer, and you all, it has made all the difference. So what you want to do, and let me tell you about it a little bit. Um, it adds potassium. It's a like a liquid fertilizer for your gardens. You can do it for your vegetable plants, your herbs, and regular flowers. So it's a fertilizer, like I said, liquid fertilizer. Potassium, oh my goodness, from these bananas, is it just gives it an extra punch for your vegetables, for your garden, for your flowers. It gets down in the root system and makes it grow faster. It makes the roots stronger. And also, you guys, it has sulfur, magnesium, calcium. Let's see, it has a little sodium, but it's natural. And it breaks down. It has little sugars later on, but natural sugars, that's when the peels are black. But for this, we want to use it. You can use the peels when they're really dark. Some people use the peels when they're a lighter yellow. I love this medium. You know, it just, to me, just seems kind of rich, and like even when it gets a little browner. But what I like to do, like I have some in here already. I just like to cut them up. Some people put them in whole. I like to cut them up because I just believe even more potassium and, you know, nutrients and minerals, they leak out if you cut them up. That's just me. I have not heard that, but I wanted to get in the water as much as possible. So anyway, you want to just cut them up. Also, you want to take off any of the tags on them. They could have unwanted chemicals in the glue, you know, the little tags that they put on for selling that has the barcodes on them and stuff. You want to take those off. You want this as natural as possible. So you want to cut it up like that and put it in, and then you want to add water. And you want to top it off. You want to cover it with the water. And you want to, if you can, sit it outside. We leave ours outside. Part shade is fine, or shade. Sometimes ours gets full sun. People kind of differ in that, but to me it hasn't made, you know, a big difference. You don't want to let this sit like 6 days or anything. Like about the third day, it'll be ready for use because it ferments and all the nutrients and different things and the minerals get into the water. So that's why you want to let it sit. All right, and your canister, this is a, let's see, this is a 1 gallon jug. This was an old Kool-Aid container. I used to have this for Kool-Aid, and the little spout thing broke off of here, and it just got old, and we got a new container eventually. And yeah, I just wanted something, you know, it's old, so that's why. But if you don't have a container, of course, go out and buy. There's plenty of cheap containers and different things at Walmart or wherever, and you can use it, you know, straight like that from a container you just bought. Let's see, also the bananas, that's another tip. The bananas, I was wondering, we cannot possibly eat that many bananas as we need to fertilize this garden. Now, something that you can do is either just buy a big bunch of bananas, let them sit and get kind of, you know, the darker yellow, and peel the bananas, cut them up, make your banana water, and the actual banana, you can use it for banana bread. You can use it for your compost. You could give it away to neighbors, family, or whatever. But I would hate to say throw it away, but you know, that's another option. But you want to make, if you can, make several of these, and you can't possibly eat that many bananas. So, you know, somehow, you know, you just buy big bunches of bananas, peel them, after they get yellowish brown, and do what you will with the inside. I gave you some tips of what to do with the inside, but do what you want with the inside. But yeah, you want to make several of these. We have 2 raised garden beds, plus we have a herb garden in containers. We have flowers for decoration. We have, just several things. And so it's good to have more than one jug of these. Some people have big containers, just huge containers filled with it. One more tip, you guys. I wouldn't use the bananas more than 2 to 3 times. Some people don't like to reuse their bananas, but as long as they're not rotting or anything like that, I don't see a problem in reusing the bananas for new water. Like I said, just don't go past 3 times. I wouldn't go past 3 times. So yeah, that's my tips on making banana water. It's a great fertilizer for your garden plants and container gardens. So yeah, use this. You will not be disappointed. Our garden has went, oh goodness, it has just flourished. It has just flourished. So all right, guys, if you have any questions, please put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Please like this. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please share it on your Facebook and other social media, because other people have gardens and may like the information. All right, you all be blessed, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.